Kabahambe, because they even complaining Guti, we are being xenophobic about our country. How are we being wrong for fighting for our country? Honestly, like we don't want undocumented foreigners in our country.
Hello, sanibonani ngiyanibingelela babukela emakhaya igama lami ngimkhenani Kenny KJ Shungobe, the place of milk and honey, the promised land in Votsale Mnyama 2, and we are here at Johannesburg CPT Sepramfontein lana ke. We're talking to people, asking them march people are protesting, marching against illegal foreigners. South Africa, so I've got a beautiful lady here in Nkosazana Mhlophe. Sisi sawubona.
Hello guys, how are you?
Yebo siyaphila sisi. Ungubani igama?
My name is Lelo Maranompumelelo in full.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu sister. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ubonile eTinzabeni, you've been watching. Bekune march malanga nje, I think 2 days beyila Joburg beyahamba KZN nase Eastern Cape ile. And so ngifuna ukuthola luvo lwakho. What are you thinking about le march then?
Basically, I'm very proud that, like, as South Africans, we are taking the stand to like, we don't want undocumented foreigners in our country. It's very important to have an opinion on this, because if we are going to allow these people to enter our country illegally, like, we are allowing them to come and take advantage of our resources, of our infrastructure and everything. Because a simple, typical example is what the foreigners have did to our CBD. If you can go down to MTN, it's very dirty there. It's very unorganized because of them. So, like, you can just see the impact that these people are causing for us. They're causing a very bad impact into our country, and like, it's very unfair for us to have to live in a country where it's unorganized, unorientated because of these people. So I don't think we are wrong for saying that to them they must go back to their countries, honestly.
So vele kahle kahle uthi abahambe sisiwami.
Yeah, like abahambe, because they even complaining Guti, we are being xenophobic about our country. How are we being wrong for fighting for our country, honestly? Like, when we were fighting against apartheid, nobody was here to help us. But now that everything is nice in South Africa, we have freedom. So they want to take advantage of our resources. They want to take advantage of our healthcare. Like, nah. No.
So there is something one of the political leaders, President CIC Julius Malema, would see, and let's find a way to document them, because they're already here in South Africa. You deport them, they want to come back again. So what are you saying about the Lufola Malema?
No, I feel like Julius Malema is actually wrong. It's better if they get deported back to their countries and then they get their legal documents and then they come here legally, because it doesn't make sense if they come here undocumented and then now they become documented in our country. It doesn't make sense. They have to go back and get everything right from their countries to come to our country, because it's still going to be illegal for them to become documented here. They are bribing our officials in Home Affairs to get documents. So you see that everything is already happening illegally. So if they have to go back to their countries, get their visas, get their passports, and come here. I think that's the most fair situation, like the most fair outcome for us.
Okay. No, siswami siyabonga kakhulu. Sengifuna nje ukhuluma imavi okugcina because you know the march, I think you organizing Sister Jacinta and ubhudungizwe Mchunu Phakela Umthakathi. What can you say to them?
Continue doing a great job, because I also love this sister. I forgot her name. Jacinta. I really love her views and opinions, and how they are actually being adamant on getting undocumented foreigners out of our country. These people are literally taking advantage of our land, and it's not right, because we don't go to Nigeria and go and take drugs there. We don't go there and go to school for free. We don't do that. We are always here in our country striving for the best. So why can't they fight for their country? Like, honestly, I don't understand.
No, my sister, thank you very much for your time. Sabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much.
We'll continue sibutela abanye kusibona bathini. Stay tuned.